Our job here at the USS Kidd is to honor veterans 365 days a year. But this is a kind of a peak day that we can encourage everyone to remember our great country and the sacrifices that veterans have made for us.
We owe a debt to be paid with grateful remembrance.
Came down here to share the experience with the kids and to really let them know and get to know the side of the military and what history is all about.
When we took it over 20 years ago, there was no air show, no F-15, just things that we've added to. Those kind of things have been important to us to really hopefully so people could come down every year and see something a little different.
How is everybody doing today on this nice, warm Sunday afternoon? Is the 4th of July, right? Let's hear it for that air show. Are you kidding? How can you follow that? It's really hard to do that.
How bad are y'all wanting to see the fireworks?
Really bad.
Just take a moment. Remember the servicemen for all these years who gives them the opportunity to choose however the way they want to celebrate today.